Selamat petang, saya ucapkan kepada Hafiz. Sebelum saya memulakan perbincangan saya ingin memperkenalkan diri saya. Oke. Nama saya adalah Fimbirukan daripada kelas DII 2E. Dan nomor metrik saya ialah 20 DII 19 F2006.
Assalamualaikum kepada Sir Hafiz. Saya Awang Muhammad Syaiful bin Awang Kalang dari kelas DII 2E, nombor metrik 20 DII 19 F2003. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh kepada Sir Hafiz. Untuk tas yang ketiga ialah line follower robot. Untuk step pertama, introduction. A proximity sensor is a sensor able to detect the presence of nearby object without any physical contact. A proximity sensor often emits an electromagnetic field or a beam of electromagnetic radiation, infrared for instance, and looks for change in the field or return signal. Concept of working offline follower is related to light. We use here the behavior of light at black and white surface. When light falls on a white surface, it is almost full reflect, and in case of black surface, light is completely absorbed. This behavior or light is used in building a line follower robot. In this Arduino based line follower robot, we have used IR transmitters and IR receivers, also called photodiodes. They are used for sending and receiving light. IR transmits infrared light. When infrared rays falls on white surface, it reflects back and catch by photodiodes, which generates some voltage change. When IR light falls on a black surface, light is absorbed by the black surface and no rays are reflected back. Thus, photodiode does not receive any light or rays. Here in this Arduino line follower robot, when sensor sense white surface, then Arduino gets 1 as input, and when sense black line, Arduino gets 0 as input. The whole Arduino line follower robot can be divided into 3 sections: center section, control section, and driver section. We are using 2 IR sensor modules, namely left sensor and right sensor. When both left and right sensor sense white, then robot move forward. Working offline follower is very interesting. Line follower robot sense black line by using sensor, then sense the sign Arduino. The Arduino drive the motor according to sensor output. Infrared sensor. IR robot obstacle avoidance. First, second, obstacle avoidance car. Third, line count. For black and white, line tracking. Technical specification: working voltage 3.3 until 5 volt. Effective range 2 until 30 cm. Depends on object reflectivity. Potentiometer adjustment direction. Clockwise detection distance increase, counterclockwise detection distance decrease. Dimension 47 millimeter L times centimeter 19 millimeter W times 80 millimeter H. Weight 1.66 OZ or 47 gram. Dimension and pin out. Connecting mode VCC, GND, VCC, GND, GND, out 10. Module interface specification. First, VCC port can connect to voltage between 3.3 volt to 5 volt converter. Second, ground port can connect to external GND. Third, output port can connect to 10 port directly or can drive 5 volt relay. When power on, the red power indicates like it. When the module detects obstacle in front of the signal, the green indicator on the circuit board light level, and at the same time the output have low level signal. The detection module from 2 until 30 cm at 35 degree detection angle. Sensor is active infrared reflection detection, therefore the reflectivity and shape of the target are the key of the detection range. White is a minimum detection range, while black is maximum detection range. Small area of the object distance will result large distance. Step 2. Materials. Arduino Uno or Arduino Nano. L293D or L29HN motor driver IC. Gear motor times 2. Robot chassis use recycled items. IR sensor module times 2. Black tape, electrical insulation tape, connecting wires, power supply, battery connector, and battery holder. Step 3. Circuit diagram. And step 4 is the code. First, start line follower robot. NT mode 1 equal 9, INT mode 2 equal 6, INT mode 3 equal 5, INT mode 4 equal 3, INT left equal 13, INT right equal 12, INT left equal 0, INT right equal 0. Void left, void right, void stop, void setup. Pin mode 1 output, pin mode 2 output, pin mode 3 output, pin mode 4 output, pin mode left input, pin mode right input. Digital right left height, digital right height, void loop, analog right mode 1 255, analog right mode 2 0, analog right mode 3 255, analog right mode 4 0, while 1 left equal to digital read left, right digital read right. If left equal to 0 and right equal to 1 equal 1. Left else f right equal 0 and left equal 1 and equal 1. Right void left void analog right mode 3 0 analog right mode 4 30. While left equal 0 left equal digital read left, right equal digital read right. If right equal 0, int I pref equal left, int rpref equal right. Stop. While I pref equal left and rpref equal right equal 1. Left equal digital read left, right equal digital read right. Analog right mode 1 255. Analog right mode 2 0. Analog right mode 3 245. Analog right mode 4 0. Void right void. Analog right mode 1 0. Analog right mode 2 30. While right equal 0 left equal digital read left, right equal digital read right. If left equal 0 int ipref equal left, int rpref equal right. Stop. While ipref equal left and rpref equal right equal 1. Left equal digital read left. Right equal digital read right. Analog right mode 3 255. Analog right mode 4 0. Analog right mode 1 255. Analog right mode 2 0. Void stop void. Analog right mode 1 0. Analog right mode 2 0. Analog right mode 3 0. Analog right mode 4 0. And offline.
Oke, ini adalah coding untuk tes 3 yang telah Muhammad Saifu bentangkan tadi. Saya telah masukkan coding tersebut dalam Arduino IDE. Oke, saya telah menyelesaikan masukkan. Sekarang saya akan verifykan coding tersebut untuk cek jika ada salah atau tidak. Oke, nampaknya tidak ada salah. Lepas itu saya akan masukkan USB kabel ini ke laptop dan akan menyambungkan ke kereta